My name is Sunstar. Come Out and Play is a nominated film I made based on my observation of an isolated hotel space. This film became the material of my final project, which is a set design for the theater adaptation of this film. And for me, the filming process is a medium of creating the narrative inside the spaces, and it helps me visualize and analyze what spatial elements are telling a story. This all informed my spatial design practice, and also modeling is something I learned as an efficient way of communicating the design ideas. So overall, in this year's creative journey, I practice as a director, as a playwright, and also a set designer. This all gave me the sight of what the communication will be in the performance industry. And this is one of the benefits of studying the UAL, that I have enough freedom to explore what I'm interested in.
My name is Alex and I'm on the MA Interior and Spatial Design Masters, and my project is called the Kairos Chamber, which explores the experience of Kairos, which is an unmeasured, experiential, deep type of time. I'm addressing the problem of the frenetic city dweller and how we're all living with this very increased pace of life. And so I'm exploring how we can create dedicated spaces for slowness. And it focuses on light and water, and how when they're used in a particular way, they can be one of the biggest instigators of pause and slowness. So one of the most important things for me this year has been coming from a fine art background and learning how to translate everything I've learned in the fine arts industry into a design mindset. So learning more about the technicalities of design, the finesse of design, but how to keep the level of creative thinking into a more advanced output.
Hello, my name is Jia Huiyuan. I come from China. My course is MA Interior and Spatial Design. My BA was fashion design. So when I start, my idea is combine the fashion knowledge and the interior design knowledge. In my work process, I found that I need to improve my professional architectural knowledge, so I choose to study in UAL. Chinese art education is very different with UAL's education style. So in the whole year, my tutor Emirates gave me a lot of very professional architecture knowledge, and I combine with my fashion knowledge and the architectural knowledge to create my immersive fashion exhibition and fashion show.
So my name is Aya. I am a master's student in the MA Interior and Spatial Design. My project is called The Pledge, and it is about healing the trauma that has been left untreated in the city of Beirut since the end of the Civil War. The project incorporates spatiality, socialness, political aspects, and most importantly, the aspect of time. My object of space, I am calling my building blocks. They are an object of the present, and they allow people to be able to build their own social spaces within private spaces of the city or destroyed spaces of the city to bring back human life to them. My object of protest, the picket, it incites people to go and protest. It is a modular item. It is not set on one movement. It grows with the people. My final object is the object of archive. It is a calligraphy pen, as I'm trying to incite people to write down this history, such as the Civil War's history. The city of Beirut is filled with blockades that kind of divide the city, and all of those blockades have the word Beirut written on it in calligraphy, which is hypocritical in some way, as it's masquerading as a part of the city while actually it's dividing us further. And so the first thing that I wrote with my calligraphy pen when I first made it was the word Beirut. Being on this course was a complete surprise to me. I came in thinking I was going to do something completely different, such as furniture or stage design. I found myself as an urban designer, urban planner, a political activist at heart, something that I've always been and something that I've always been proud of being. And this course really pushed me in that direction and reinforced this path of life that I want to follow.